Can you tell which of this was shot on a digital camera and which was made with AI? Most people can't. That's because Higgsfield Soul 2.0 doesn't just generate, it understands lightning, physics, and grain behavior. This is the AI generated image. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield Soul 2.0 to create realistic, viral-ready photo shoots for birthdays, fashion brands, and editorial campaigns using nothing but a reference image. Higgsfield just dropped the Soul 2.0 model and is not just a general generator, it is a culture-native model that understands fashion, lightning, logic, and grain behavior. Is the fastest growing Gen AI for a reason. It has taste. Higgsfield is a beautiful platform that allows you to access lots of AI tools immediately as they drop all in one place. You can click the link in the description or you can just go over here and click it. It opens up like this, right? So the Higgsfield Soul 2 has this interface. You can see Soul 2 here selected, character and general. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you've not logged in, go over here and then log in. So the first use case I want us to do today is creating your own birthday photo shoot, okay? We are going to go over here and click create character. Now, I already have this character created, but I'm going to show you how to create a new character. So you go over here and click create new character. Upload up to 20 images of the character. If you don't have up to 20, still go ahead and upload them. In this use case, you can also upload your own images. Once you're done uploading them, make sure that they've loaded into the software. Mine, I had a little bit of images that were not high quality, but that doesn't matter. You just go ahead and click create character. Alright, so once the character is created, it looks like this, right? So you just click select it. So you're going to go over and you can either go to Pinterest or just go on normal Google search and look for a better photo shoot that you like. Okay, so for the sake of talking, let's say I like this one, so I'm going to click it. Make sure that the image shows very well in very high quality, and then you're going to right click it and you're going to save the image, right? So after you save the image, you're going to go on Gemini and you're going to click the plus button here and upload that image you just downloaded from Pinterest, okay? And then you're going to paste a prompt. This prompt is essentially telling Gemini to give you an AI image generator prompt for an image generator to generate this kind of birthday photo for me with my image attached as the reference. All right, and then you press the submit button. So Gemini has generated the prompt for me. So what we are going to do now is we are going to copy this prompt like this that Gemini has generated for us. We're going to go back to our Soul 2.0 and we're going to go over here and we're going to paste it, right? So that it tells it that is this Soul character that we want to do this for, right? And then we're just going to click generate. It's going to take some time to generate, and so the image is generated and this is what it looks like, right? It looks exactly like my character, right? But it did not give her that sitting posture that we wanted, okay? And that will be as a result of what my prompt said, which is the subject is sitting elegantly on a wooden director's chair. So this is the first way to generate this kind of birthday images. Now let me give you the easier way to generate these kinds of birthday images. The game changer is the soul reference. What you just do is once you've already selected your character here, generally selected, you can click over here and just upload this image that you downloaded straight from Pinterest. This is what we call the Higgsfield 2.0 reference. This one is so easy because you already have your character here. You just upload the reference image and then you just select all the details you like here and just click generate. Can you say that? So this is what it generated. So it generated something that looks like it. It is still very beautiful, still looks exactly like my character, but you know, made some changes to it. But this looks amazing. This looks like a real photo shoot. Okay, it looks really, really, really pretty. So now let me now show you what you can do with the different presets. Okay, so you can click general here and then you can see different kinds of presets. Okay, swag era. So let's do this theatrical light. So for this example, I just want my image to be in somewhere different. Okay, so I'm going to copy this prompt of just telling her that she's going to be in some kind of hotel. I'm going to come over here and we're going to paste this prompt. Okay, we are going to generate it. Let's look at another one again that we can try. Let's look at this one in 80s band. Let's just clean everything and just say 80s band. look at this generation. Like, she looks so beautiful. Her face remains consistent. Look at the one that we generated as an 80s band. So they put her in, look at her face in 3 different places, right? This is really so cool. And then you can just click here, of course, and download it. Now, something else I want to show you is how to create videos out of these images that you have made. These are here. We're going to go over here and we're going to click this image that we like. I'm going to explain something to you that is called the angles. What this angles does is it's going to generate this image in different angles. If you look at this portion here, if you turn, this shows you where your camera is, right? So let's say we want to create a picture of her, but we want our camera to be by this side of her like this, right? We're going to put the camera, want the camera to be, and we're going to click generate. This is going to work, take some seconds to generate, and then this is the generation. So good, so good when you want to create like a short birthday video where you are just transitioning from one place to another. So now that we've seen this, that we like it, let's now quickly animate it and turn it into a video. So I'm going to click over here and click animate that, and I'm going to add a new prompt just to animate her, to just move her. All right, so we have put the second one that we used angles to create here as the start frame. We're going to go over here and upload the main image, the first one that she generated, as the end frame. Okay, and we're going to put this very simple prompt. We are going to press generate. Stop settling for generic AI. Use the link in my description to try Higgsfield Soul 2.0 for yourself. Like and subscribe for more AI secrets. I'll see you in the next video.